How are you guys doing today? Today we are going to talk a bit about color. So, we all know what these colors are. Starting in the upper left-hand corner, we have red, then yellow, and then blue. Now, do we know what these colors are called? These are called the primary colors because you can take these three colors and pretty much make any color that you can imagine. So red and yellow, when we combine them, we put the red and the yellow together, we end up with orange. And we have yellow and blue, and when we put yellow and blue together, we get green. And then finally, we have the other two primary colors. We have blue and red, and when we put them together, we end up getting a purple or violet. These are called the secondary colors on the right-hand side here, the orange, the green, and the violet. So we take two primaries, and we get a secondary color. When we organize them, we get what's called the color wheel. So we have our primary, our red, blue, and yellow. And in between, we get a purple. In between the blue and yellow, we get a green. And in between the yellow and red, we get an orange. If we look at it counterclockwise, going red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, we also get a rainbow. So that is the spectrum of color when we look through a prism. On the right-hand side, where we have our yellow, our orange, and our red, we have what are called warm colors. And when we look in nature and we look around us and we see things that are orange or red, we think of hotness or warmth. On the left-hand side, we have what are called our cool colors. As you can see over here, we have Anna and Elsa and a frozen tundra. And we have these greens and blues and violets. And when we have these colors, we think more of cool things or coldness. So that is our color wheel. And this is a color wheel that only goes with the primary and secondary colors. If we combine them again, we get a more in-depth color wheel. Like here, we have between blue and green, a blue-green. Between blue and violet, we have a blue-violet. And so on and so forth. You get the idea. It's pretty easy. Between red and violet, there's a violet-red. And those are called tertiary colors or extra colors. So your assignment for at home, for virtual learning today is, I want you to come up with an at-home color wheel. So this is just things that I had around my house. A red top of a can of Chef Boyardee, an orange, a yellow light bulb, a green canister lid, a blue dog leash, and a purple cell phone, toy cell phone that my daughter was playing with. I want you to collect the items from around your house. Don't take anything you're not supposed to have. Ask your mom and dad if you can move it, and be sure to put them away when you're done. But I want you guys to go and construct your own color wheel with primary colors, red, blue, yellow, and secondary colors, purple, orange, green. Here is another example. We have a red knit hat, an orange glove used for doing the dishes, a yellow bag of coffee, some green tape, and a blue sponge. When you get your items, be sure that you keep them in the proper order so that you have red, yellow, blue spaced out, and then you have the secondary colors between them. So between your red and yellow, you have orange. Between your yellow and blue, you have green. And between your blue and red, you have a purple. Very simple, easy task. So we did a little bit of drawing. Now we're going to do a color wheel project. Really quick and simple. Just kind of show that you're getting the idea of the color wheel. Have fun. I can't wait to see the interesting thing you guys come up with for your at-home color wheel. Have a good time. I will see you guys next time in art. Bye.